What's up, my dudes? In this video, I'm going to teach you the different uses and the different ways that you can go about doing protection. Firstly is protection salt versus a protection oil. Now, these are both things that I made on my channel. This is a protection salt. I made a few different ones on my channel for this, and this is a protection oil. I think I've made like 2 or 3 types of protection oil, but they do generally the same thing. It's a warding protection, so it sets up a barrier, and then anything that you don't want will not cross the barrier, and this will also help to rebuild any of your weaknesses. So for the 2 different things, I think the best way of going about creating different uses for each is to think of it like this. The salt is more of the physical substance that you would burn something with, or maybe you just use with other materials. So you can place the salt into this, you can let it burn, and then it'll be used that way. Or you can just use the salt around something and then that'll create the effect that you want. Whereas the oil is more something that you add with other ingredients, maybe like into a spell jar or a spell pouch, and then you just sort of leave it like that, and it helps to boost the effects of those. So whether you're trying to do something that's more long-term and have longer lasting effects, or you maybe want to put the most amount of energy into the single things that you're using or that's around you, either way has its own pros and cons, and either way is kind of interchangeable. But these are 2 different ways you can go about creating your protections, and also 2 different methods that you can use in creating your protection. If you'd like to know how to create either of these, they're going to be linked down below. If you'd like to know anything else about witchcraft or hoodoo related topics, just leave it in the comments below and I'll make a video about that. Have a good day, night, life. Enjoy yourself and be happy.